Hello, so I'm going to show you an update on my channel situation because it's a very important update if you like my videos because I'm splitting my content into multiple channels instead of just having it all on one channel. So if you're interested in seeing the rest of this series or whatever other videos like this one, it's a very important announcement to see. But if you've already seen this announcement in other videos or you just don't care, then skip to this timestamp to get right into the video and hope you enjoy. Um, Hello, and today I'm going to give you a rundown of major changes that are happening to my channel, or channels, I should say. So basically, I'm going to be splitting my channel into multiple channels of their own categories of what my channel revolves around. I just said channel a lot, but hope you understand what I'm saying. So the reason I'm doing this is because how the YouTube algorithm works is it says if a viewer on average watches every video you upload, your videos are better, so it shows them to more people. But the problem with my channel is that I react and do so many different content about so many different things that most people aren't interested in everything I react to. So most people just watch one topic that I react to. So, they just watch my Beatles reactions, or they just watch my NBA videos, or they just watch my TV show Breaking Bad or Chris Chan reactions. So basically, I'm going to be spreading my uh, content into multiple different channels so that people who like that content, they're going to watch a higher percentage of each video on those channels, so YouTube will promote it more to help promote my channel, to help promote all my videos in general more. So here's the rundown here. So this channel, Lyric Reacts, will exclusively be for reactions that don't fit my other reaction channels. So basically, this is for my channel for reacting to whatever the hell I want. This channel will stay as reacting to whatever the hell I want as the original channel. So that's basically what the channel will be. Whatever the hell I want is going to be reacting, and all these reaction channels will have daily uploads. So next we have the Lyric Reacts NBA channel. This channel will be for daily NBA reactions. So if you want my NBA reactions, go subscribe to that channel. I will be continuing to upload all my videos to this channel for the next around 2 weeks, and putting this disclaimer at the beginning of each video so people understand before I just start uploading to a channel that no one's subscribed to. But eventually subscribe to that channel, so eventually I will start only uploading my NBA reactions to Lyric Reacts NBA. I'll have daily NBA reactions as well as weekly NBA full game reactions. So we're going to react to a bunch of classic NBA games on that channel. And next we have Lyric Reacts Music. So if you watch my Beatles reactions mainly, that's the music reactions I've done so far, start with this, go to this channel. We'll be doing reacting to the Beatles solo albums, as well as we're eventually going to get to a bunch of classic albums. I plan to do a bunch of classic albums in chronological order, and I'm also going to start my hip-hop journey, where I'm going to react to hip-hop albums in chronological order, the history of hip-hop. So I plan to do one non-hip-hop album and one hip-hop album per week, and it will be all, I'm planning to react to both in chronological order, so I think it'll be a really cool experiment to do. There'll also be daily song reactions from those albums, so hopefully you will enjoy that. So if you like my music reactions here, you want to see more music reactions, go to that channel, Lyric Reacts Music. Next we have Lyric Reacts Media. This channel will be exclusively for TV and movie reactions. So right now I am reacting to 3 shows, quote unquote, those being Breaking Bad, Chris Chan: A Comprehensive History, and Attack on Titan. I'm counting the Chris Chan series, even though it's a YouTube series, as a show because it is a series. So if you like reacting to any of those, my Breaking Bad reactions, my Chris Chan reactions, or my Attack on Titan reactions, go to that channel. That's where those reactions are going to move to. And I am planning on uploading two reactions of 2 episodes of each of those per week, as well as 1 movie reaction. I am actually counting the Beatles Get Back documentary as a movie just because the episodes are so long. So if you want to watch the Beatles Get Back documentary, you want to react to that, also subscribe to that channel. And also, yeah, weekly movie reactions, as well as 2 episodes of 3 shows per week. And that's it for my reaction channels, but I also have two other channels. First of all is Lyric Rumbles NBA. I have already started uploading on this channel months ago, so I already have some original content up there, but the quality is going to improve a lot. It is for my original NBA content. So if you like my NBA content, if you want to see original NBA content, go to that channel, Lyric Rumbles NBA. I plan to upload one video there every 1 to 2 weeks because, obviously that takes a lot more editing and work than the reaction videos. And then I have a new channel called Lyric Rumbles, just Lyric Rumbles. That channel is the original content that is not NBA related. So you subscribe to that channel to get my original content that is not going to be NBA related. It's going to be the channel I'm probably going to work the hardest on in general. And you're not gonna see a video in there for a little bit because it's gonna take a lot of work for those videos. And my first video I plan on putting there is the Beatles Iceberg Explained, which is a video I'm really hyped for making, but it's gonna take a little bit. So subscribe to that channel preemptively to get all those videos. And yeah, so basically that's the gist. My 6 channels: Lyric Reacts, Lyric Reacts NBA, Lyric Reacts Music, Lyric Reacts Media, Lyric Rumbles NBA, and Lyric Rumbles. So subscribe to all 6 of those channels if you like all of it. If you like all my content, go subscribe to all 6 channels. But if you're interested in certain parts of my content that you only watch, subscribe to the ones that fit you the most. And yeah, sorry for this long explanation, but had to get the word out so you know where my content is going to go now. And so yeah, hope you enjoy the content coming up. Start off with Free as a Bird from Anthology 1. Um, let's get it. First track for the Beatles, released in like 26 years. Free as a Bird. Ooh. Ooh. I really like those vocals there, even though they're not fully polished because it was from a demo that he recorded. But I like the way he sings it. As a bird, I like that. It really feels like like you've escaped from something. I really like it. I really like the vocals. And Paul gets singing here. Mmm. Those are really good lines for the whole situation happening at the time. This being the final beat, one of after the Beatles breakup, talking about, having to life who wants, like when the Beatles were a thing, and then life without each other. It's just, yeah, it's really good. And yeah, I really like. It sounds like such an epic song at the same time. Like it really feels like, the lyrics are like a meaningful song, and it's really good. Talking about life post Beatles. Reflecting on. Mmm. I really love this first here from McCartney. I really like this song. This is the only, it says that in the annotation, this is the only Beatles song where all three have like a separate verse. Yeah, Paul, John, and George all having their own separate parts. Which is that's pretty interesting to have, the encore here having all three having their separate parts and talking about, the before times, what happened to it, and So this is a nice little encore to the ending of the Beatles thing. So this actually really works as a track at the end here. I like this. Ooh, I love the guitar. Mmm. I love the chorus on this song. Mmm. Oh, coming back here at the end. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, for John Lennon there at the end. Alright, so that was Free as a Bird. I really like that song. It really worked as a nice encore to the ending of the Beatles' career, and talking about, talking about reflecting on the Beatles' career, and had nice parts from all three of the singing Beatles. Um, really like that song. It's actually a really good song for, a song made from demos and released way after, they were actually a band. So yeah, that was really great. So yeah, that was fantastic first song that we're gonna listen to here.